In this training video, we'll be going over exporting to Excel. So as you can see, we're in programming and we're under scope in the button here and programming in the tab. If you wanted to export this set of line items to Excel, you could do that very easily. First off, you want to choose which list that you want to export. Is it cleaning, mold, fire? In this case, I want mitigation. So all this list can be exported out of here, and it's a great idea to save it to your desktop or save it in a folder. It's very important. So, okay, so let's do it. Let's export this list. Click on right here, okay, and I will minimize that, and we are going to grab our download. Okay, so here's the download. This is an iMac. This is where we get ours, but you can get yours from where it would be downloaded. So I'm going to bring that there. Okay, so I just exported this list out of here. The list is still here, but now you have your Excel. Okay, so you can see that the different boxes, A, B, C, and D. This is strictly Excel stuff. It's very, very important that you have these 4 boxes. Okay, this is the format we need when you're going to work with Excel. If you're going to export to our program, or import I should say, this is what you need. There's your prices, there's your regular hours, after hours, regular hours, your unit of measurement. That's how you're going to fill these all in if you're using Excel. And then your line items. Okay, so that's for Excel. So now you have your Excel list. Okay, and this is a backup way of keeping all your information out of the program or bringing it into the program for that matter. Okay, so that's how that works. I'm going to remove that. And again, that's how you remove any of your line items lists, any of your scope lists. You choose which one it is first, and then you would go to export to Excel. In our case, it downloads. You get it from the download, and then you drag it to here. So now you can save this wherever you want to save it. Keep it on your desktop, rename it if it's your mitigation scope, such as this one. Save it in a file, save it wherever you want to save it. But now you have it here in Excel, and you have it here within the program. So that's how you do that for exporting to Excel. To your success, and thank you for watching.